Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom indicator inside of TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to use crypto and I'm going to use Bitcoin. Now if I want to go ahead and add a custom indicator to Bitcoin, or TradingView's Bitcoin charts, I can do that by clicking onto indicators on the top. So now there should be a box appear that we got a few different tabs. We've got personal, technicals, financials, and community. So you can browse or search for indicators made by the community by clicking onto community and have a look at all the different indicators here. So we've got angle, volume, profile, treasury yields, heat map, time and sales, etc. Now if we want to go ahead and click on add in this one, angle, value, profit, profile, I'm going to double click this. Also, you can favorite these indicators from the community or technicals, etc. So if there's any indicators you would like to keep as a favorite, you can. So if I want to add in a treasury yields heat map, I can go ahead and favorite. And once you click on the indicator, it will appear on your charts like so. Now, if you want to go ahead and remove a indicator, just go ahead and hover over where the indicator is and just hit the rubbish bin, and that's going to remove it from your chart.